If your iPhone Wi-Fi is slow or keeps disconnecting, you're probably missing one setting and it's killing your connection. In this video, I'll show you the fixes that actually work. No apps, no risk. Just simple settings you can change right now. First, turn Wi-Fi off and on again. This refreshes your connection instantly. Next, forget your Wi-Fi network. Go to Wi-Fi, tap the I, forget this network. Then reconnect again. This fixes many connection bugs. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, try this. Tap your Wi-Fi network, turn off auto join, then turn it on again. This resets how your iPhone connects. Now check this hidden setting. Go to Wi-Fi, tap your network, turn off low data mode. This can slow down your internet. Also check Wi-Fi Assist. Go to Cellular, scroll down, Wi-Fi Assist. Try turning it on or off. This helps when Wi-Fi is unstable. Sometimes it's not your iPhone, it's your router. Restart your router and test again. Also make sure your iPhone is updated. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Updates fix Wi-Fi bugs. If you use VPN or profiles, they can affect your Wi-Fi. Turn them off temporarily and test again. Always follow app rules and local guidelines. Close apps running in the background. Some apps can slow your connection. If nothing worked, do this. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings. This clears all network problems and usually it fixes everything. If your Wi-Fi is fixed, you are good to go. And if it's still not working, tell me in the comments. I'll help you fix it.